Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign into the same Apple ID on the iPhone and confirm iCloud is active. Next, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and make sure Notes is enabled. If Notes was off, turn it on and choose to merge. This forces iCloud to sync stored notes back to the device. Also verify a recent iCloud backup exists by checking Settings, your name iCloud Backup, and keep the phone on Wi-Fi and charging while syncing. Once iCloud Notes is enabled, open the Notes app and pull down to refresh. That simple action triggers a sync. If notes don't appear, go to Settings, Passwords and Accounts and verify any other mail accounts, Gmail, Exchange, where notes could be stored are enabled for notes. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, then sign into iCloud. Com from a browser to confirm the notes exist there. If they do, toggling notes off and on again often forces the missing items to reappear on your device. To finish, if notes are still missing, toggle Notes off in iCloud settings, and when prompted, select Delete from iPhone. Don't worry, they remain in iCloud. Then toggle Notes back on and choose Merge to download them. If that fails and iCloud shows notes, restore a full device backup. Settings, General Transfer or Reset, erase all content in Settings, then restore from the iCloud backup that contains your notes. Troubleshooting tip: always check recently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.